This is on of a sample Google Sheet, and here these rows are frozen. So if we scroll, we'll see that these rows are not moving. That means these rows are frozen. In this way, some columns may be frozen also. So this tutorial will applicable both rows or columns which are frozen. So now we need to unfreeze this thing, this number of rows. To unfreeze any number of rows like 1, 2, 3, 4, we don't need to choose any of like all of them. We can choose any location during the inside the frozen rows or frozen columns. Just right click and then it will bring this menu. From here we have to go view more row actions, and if we move here, another menu will be appeared. From here we have to choose the second option, unfreeze rows. So we have to click here, and here you will see that those rows are unfreeze and those rows are not frozen. So in this way, for columns we have to apply the same way. In this way we can easily unfreeze rows or columns in Google Sheet.